Good afternoon from sunny Germany. Beautiful sight here in the mountains. Beautiful weather, blue sky, and we have also a beautiful bike. We have this beautiful Kawasaki H2 750 Mach IV, and the bike is completely done. Has German papers and also TÜV if you're a German buyer, and the paintwork is amazing. Yeah, it's ready for the new owner, and that can be you if you're looking for one. And we will try to start it up in a couple of minutes. Beautiful color. Exhaust is new. Rims are new. Now maybe we can try to start it?
Yes.
Perfect. I ride one myself in blue, and it's one of my favorite bikes I use in summer. And the feeling on a H2 is completely different than on every other bike. It's mean. And the sound is perfect. What a bike. And it smells great. Riding on an H2 750 is very impressive always. The only thing is with an H2 you can't ride it slowly because the bike wants to go fast, and so you have to ride it fast and enjoy it. So if you're interested in this beautiful H2 750, contact me for more information, price. We're going to make pictures and the bike will be online maybe next week. So contact us, and if you like the video, subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, vintagemotorcycles.nl, and visit the website vintagemotorcycles.nl. Thank you very much and hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.